Hey folks, so again, this is another quick overview video on how to submit assignments in the class and give you a few kind of pro tips or pointers as far as how I grade you and what you're doing. A lot of these assignments are going to be like your case studies. These are things that you don't respond to in like a discussion forum. So that's what I mean by submitting assignments. The page that you're currently on, hopefully if you found this, is this submitting assignments page here. And it just gives you a little bit of online submission and how you do it and a few frequently asked questions. To find an example assignment, I'm going to go over into Unit 1, which is down here at the bottom of the screen. And I'm going to go to Week 1, because it's the first place that you're going to go. And I'm going to look at this Paula and Mike case study. All right. The Paula and Mike case study is a brief overview of Chapter 1. And the only bummer, the only thing I don't like about Blackboard is that once you click this assignment, all it has is this kind of like place to submit it. And you can kind of see the assignment here. I've posted it again, but it gets a little bit fussy. So my recommendation is that you take the assignment. This is actually how I do my online courses when I have to take them. And you copy them by right-clicking. And then, do I see there's anything here? Good, this is a blank document. And then just paste it. All right, that's how I do it. And then when I go in, and then what I just do is, I mean, it's super simple, you know. Whoa. You type in your, it's because everybody's watching me. And then the date. I'm not going to bother putting the date in. Okay? And then I would just go through here, hit enter, and start typing my responses, right? The only thing that I do ask is that you double space your responses, all right? It just makes it easier for me to read. And then I would save this, or theoretically, what I might do is just come in and copy this again and put it in the assignment. Now let me show you something really quick here. If you want to upload, no problem. It works just like as if you were putting an attachment on email. You come over here to browse my computer, and then you just you navigate to it just like you would any file. But if you want to type or copy and paste, click Write My Submission, then copy and paste. All right. You might have to go in there and reformat, especially if you had anything like double spacing or bolding, just depending on how it came across. But this is going to be better. If you try to put this in the comments down here, it's going to be really hard for me to read. It'll be all in one, and I'm probably going to say, hey, I can't really grade this. Can you please resubmit it? All right. And then if you want to see how I grade you, there will always be a rubric to show you exactly how I grade you. I actually get to pick these categories, and then I go in and write comments below. All right, so hopefully that's relatively straightforward. The nice thing is I have most of these are all set up to do as many submissions as you like. So if you have enough, let's say you go back and do it, and you're like, oh, I wasn't happy with that, you want to do it again, the only thing I need you to do is tell me which one to grade. So like in your submission, put like grade this one, so that I know that that's the one that you want me to accept. All right. But that's how you submit assignments. It's not super difficult. If you have any problems, as always, call or email me before you get frustrated. It will make it easier.